Well, we got this Wanderlodge in to get a front main seal replaced on it, and this is not going to be a fun job. There's so much in front of it, the way that the engine is placed in here, and the bumper, and there's a metal frame and some other. It's just like you got to remove this part to get to that part, and then remove that part to get to this part to be able to even see the part that we need to get to. So this is going to be crazy. The labor on this is going to be way more than the actual parts bill. Taking the bumper off here to get that plate off so that we can get to the front main seal under there and replace that. And there is a lot of bolts back here. We had a custom bolts for the puller. Careful that cone's gonna fall out. Ellie, are you supervising? Are you supervising? Well, as we're finally getting in closer to seeing the front main seal, we can see that this mount that holds the engine, there's like this round hub that sticks out and this thing clamps around it. There's a rubber boot on there. You can see the top, there's a gap and the rubber's sticking out, and at the bottom, there's no rubber, it's gone. So this motor mount has been bouncing around and being able to move. So the rubber is no good under there. We're gonna get that off and replace it. The good news is that $25 in parts, we'll be able to fix this, and we're already looking at it, so the labor's already there. But this definitely needs to be replaced. The seal itself is only like $60, $70 with shipping. So the parts bill is going up almost double by the time we buy this $25 part and pay for shipping on it. But the engine's gonna be supported a lot better, the way it clamps around and holds it on there, so it definitely need to be replaced. Okay, got the engine jacked up a little bit there now, so the space between the bottom of that. Taking off the motor mounts so we can remove that plate.
Yeah. Okay, I got it now. I got it now. Yep. Fell off immediately.
Completely worked its way out of there.
I think that might have been all the way out. That whole plate moved now? Yep.
Okay. There's the seal we've been trying to get to. Well, I got it out. Put a seal puller in it, drilled a little hole into it, put a seal puller in so we didn't nick the cone. Got it out. It's got the new seal installed. Let's put the plate back on. We got the rubber boot on the plate. Line it up. So jack the engine up under there. I'm gonna let it down now. We had to jack it up in order to get that lifted up off of that ring. lower it down now. There it goes. So there's tapered cones on both sides of this that hold it in. So you got a tapered cone there and a tapered cone the other way as well. It really pinches it and holds it in there tight. We're putting new belts on the alternator right now just because they're hard to get to, that alternator. It's behind this bumper normally, and we're looking at it. We've got the old ones off, and they're probably more than 10 years old. This has a keyway on it, and then that big lip goes back and pushes those rings. A little bit of coil on there, and then a dead blow.
Yeah, want to make the dead blow for me?
The orange dead blow. Green.
Yep,
That's
that'll work. You want a couple smacks on the centerpiece here while I hold it. That hurt.
Was your keys lined up right?
Yeah.
Is there enough bolt to pull it out yet, or no? I don't
Oh
think
no,
so.
it's a mile off. You're gonna have to hammer that on there quite a bit.
That's good. Alternator belt.
We'll put the belts on after because that alternator's already loose.
Okay. I gotta go look up the torque spec on that. I'll be right back. Now the Olight has these little work lights. They have a magnetic base on them and fold up. We use them a lot. So like on this bus, we can clip it up here with the magnets and shine it down on where we're working at. So you can clip it just about anywhere like that. It's magnetic, obviously. But yeah, it's a bright little work light. It's got a battery meter on the side on it. It also has a light that comes out of the front of it. I don't ever really use that feature though. But it is on there. It's pretty bright. It's got a little cover that goes over the charging thing on it there. But yeah, I like the LED status lights that tell you the charge amount of the battery on there. Olight is having a sale on flashlights. We have a coupon code, which our coupon code doesn't work for stuff that's already on sale. I'll put a link to their sale on there, but if you're buying something that's not on sale, current sale, like I don't think this is on sale, but this is one of our favorite things that we use. We've got actually have 3 of them here, and the guys use them all the time. Get up in a wheel well and throw it up in there, and it gives you a nice light on everything. Gets back in there. So something you might want to check out. Use our coupon code. We definitely like our Olight stuff. We do get a small commission on that if you order something. I don't remember what it is, 5%, 10%, something like that. But yeah, this is a nice little light. My little granddaughter Ellie's out having fun, helping me work on some bus stuff. She does pretty good paying attention to stuff. She definitely wants to hold the tools and move the tools around. So we're framing up for some concrete here around the culvert. We put a bunch of rock down in there. This is about a 18-inch to 2-foot wide hole that's about 3 feet deep, where it's been washing out and making the driveway about 2 feet skinnier here. So we got a whole bunch of bags of concrete we're gonna mix up here and be good to go. Here's our repair. Turned out good. There's about 37 bags, I think. No. Hang on, there's about 16. There's 4 left, so that's 12. I forgot. 40, close to 40 bags of concrete. That is a solid culvert when it dries.
See that white smoke rising up the holler through the trees, and from a mile away you can hear them play as they climb that hill with ease. At the top of that mountain there's a new life waiting for those who can make the run. If they can make it to the top, Scott will put them in the shop till their new life has begun. Mountain, where the buses come to run. Bus Grease Mountain, we're gonna get that big job done.